What's up guys, today I'm going to be showing you how and where to use biogrease. So I've got a brand new bike behind me and it's come with no pedals, so I've got some older pedals and now's the perfect time to apply this to the thread to stop corrosion and anything seizing over time. So now we're going to apply biogrease to the threads of our pedal. The best way to do that is apply a pea-size amount to one of your fingers, hold the pedal in your other hand and simply roll it on. So now we've greased the pedal, we're going to put it on the crank. So I just want to start with a couple of threads by hand and a little tip for you, back pedal whilst holding on to the actual pedal itself. That saves a lot of work. So now you've done it by hand, do the final part with an Allen key. Once the pedal's been tightened, just make sure you wipe off any excess grease with a microfiber cloth. It's perfect to use biogrease on pedals, but there's also different parts of the bikes that you can use it on as well. So over time you may have a little bit of grit inside your axle, so what I'm going to do is just whip that out, give it a clean and grease it. So that is a couple of places where you can apply biogrease. You can apply it to your headset, to your bottom bracket, and even your suspension linkages as well. Great product.